Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Remove the 6P5 pentalobe screws and lift the lower case. Do this deliberately, not rushed. Once open, disconnect the battery as your first safety step, and make sure to use a plastic spudger so you don't short anything. Next, inspect the display flex cable where it meets the logic board and hinge. This is the common failure point, so note any fraying, kinks, or heat discoloration. Mark the exact damaged area with tape for reference. Now you proceed to the core repair. Detach the display assembly screws and open the hinge just enough to access the flex cable path. Carefully remove the old cable and install a high-quality replacement, making sure the cable follows a gentle, unobstructed curve under the hinge. This prevents repeated bending. Once positioned, reinforce known stress points with heat shrink tubing or Kapton tape, and secure the cable with low-profile adhesive so it won't rub against metal edges when the screen opens and closes. Finish by reconnecting the display connectors and then reconnect the battery as the last electrical step. Reinstall the lowercase screws in their original positions. Power the machine and test the display, cycling the lid about 20 times to be sure the backlight and image remain stable. This stresses the repair, so you find faults now rather than later. If the backlight fails, make sure to check continuity along the flex traces and receipt connectors firmly. This troubleshooting tip resolves many post-repair no-light symptoms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.